one club in the world that proved in the past that can overcome any situation, any disaster, is our club, is Manchester United Football Club. I won't apologize for this season. I know you are really disappointed with me and really disappointed with the team. I want to say thank you. We are very grateful for your support during the season, and I know that was really hard. I know it was really hard to support us in many games. But now we have to make a choice. Or we stay stuck in the past because this season is in the past, is over. We fight each other, or we stick together and move forward. 6 months ago, in my first 3 games in charge, with 2 victories and 1 draw, I said to you, the storm is coming. Today, after this disaster season, I want to tell you the good days are coming. Now I want to say sorry also to my players. Sometimes I was not fair, but I try always to be honest with you guys. Thank you very much. See you next season.
Well, if he's as good a coach as he is with words, he's got a fighting chance.